Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, for joining me for another video. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today. I'm going to show you all how to make a pendant. And excuse me, y'all, I'm picking stuff out of this tray I got here. I'm going to be using some acrylic beads to achieve this look. You're going to need... you don't have to have an assortment of beads because I'm going to be using, these are 8mm acrylic beads. And I'm going to be using some of these oval, they look like, they're not really oval. It's like, what is it, like a teardrop shape beads. And we're just going to make a pendant. You're going to need 10 beads all together. Like I said, some of these are 8mm. These round ones are 8mm. They're pretty much the same size, but okay. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I am using some 20 gauge wire, and I'm going to use about 24 inches. I'm going to use about, let's say 28, 29 inches of wire, okay? And you're going to need a dowel, and once again, you can find this dowel at the Dollar Tree or Walmart, wherever they sell dowels. Any craft store will probably have these, okay? You're gonna need your round nose pliers and your wire cutters. All right, so we're gonna get right on into this here video. I hope everyone is well. I want to thank y'all for joining me, like I said in the very beginning. And what you're going to do is you're going to take both pieces of your wire. You're going to bring them together just like this. Okay, you want your ends to meet. You're going to pull your wire like this. Okay, and then you're going to take your dowel, and you're going to place your dowel in the middle of your wire, just like this, okay? Let me move that out the way for a minute. I'm going to pinch these two pieces down, okay? And we're going to make a circle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it I'm going to twist it 5 times, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take it off, and this is what you should have. Don't worry if your twists aren't perfect, okay? That's it. So next thing we're going to do is you're going to have 2 pieces of your wire. You're going to have a piece up at the top and a piece down the bottom. We're going to be going with the piece down the bottom. I'm going to add on my first bead, which is going to be the circle one, and we're going to do a total of 10 beads all together. We are making a pendant. So I'm going to put this on, bring it all the way down, just like that. Your bead is going to be down the bottom of your wire, and you're going to have your other wire over top, okay? All you're going to do is you're going to bring this piece over like this, over your bead, and you're going to take this part, the second part of your wire, and pinch it just like this. So this piece, your bottom wire, is going to be over top of your top wire, just like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to twist it 10 times. Well, actually, no, we're going to twist it 15 times. Okay, so we're going to twist it 15 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. That's what you're going to have, okay? Now, I'm going to do this one more time, and then I'm going to go ahead and twist all 8 of the rest of the beads on here. So the next bead I'm going to go with is I'm going to go with this one here, the one that looked like a teardrop, and I'm going to put it on the bottom. Now, you can do this. You don't necessarily have to use 2 different types of beads to do this. You can do, you can use whatever beads you have, okay? And I'm going to do the same thing. That's going to be on my bottom wire. I'm going to take my top wire and bring it over like this. And I'm going to pinch this up, bring that over like that, pinch this the bottom wire up like that, right at the hole, and I'm going to twist it 15 times, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that's what you're going to have. So I'm going to go ahead and add on the rest of these beads, and then I'm going to come back and show you all how I put them on. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to put on my last bead, and I just want to show you all how I did this. So I did a round one, then a tear glass, round one, tear glass, round one, tear glass, round one, tear glass, round one, tear glass. Okay, and then when you go all the way down to the last one, you're going to wrap it 5 times, just like you did the top right here. So I'm going to wrap this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'm going to give it one more wrap. 6. Okay, y'all, so once you get all of your beads on, we're going to start pretty much, we're going to start molding our wire into our pendant, okay? So basically what you're going to do is you're going to start in between each piece of your wire. You're going to bend it. So you're going to bend it here like that. Then you're going to bend it here, okay? Then that's 1, 2, 3. You're going to, I'm flipping it. So I'm going to bend it right here, like that. Then when I get here, I'm going to bend it, okay? When I get to, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6, I'm bending it, okay? Number 7, bend it, okay? Number 8, bending it, okay? Number 9, bending it, and number 10. And this is pretty much how your earring or your pendant, whichever you want to, however you want to use it for, this is what it's going to look like. Once you bend it, you're going to get this shape right here, okay? I got to make sure that everything is precise. And now I'm going to tell you that you can make and create whatever shape you want to. Once you start bending it and all that stuff, you got to figure out how you want it to be. So I am going to take See, this is what it looks like right now because it's all bent. All right, it's all bent up. And I'm going to take my piece and I'm going to bring it like this. I'm going to take my top piece okay. Take my pieces. I'm going to put a piece right here and a piece right here. I'm going to hold these two pieces together. Then I'm going to take that piece and come up to the top. So this is pretty much what you are going to have. So you're going to have these two pieces meeting, these two pieces meeting, and these two pieces right here meeting. Okay? And then this right here is going to be where your two pieces is going to where you're going to intertwine your two pieces together. So you're going to take this piece here, you're going to place it right up here with this one, and you're just going to wrap it around. You're going to wrap it around your loop. Okay. Okay, hang in there with me. Wrap it around and wrap it twice. Okay, so that's what you're going to have. Now you're going to straighten out your loop. And then you're going to take these two pieces and you're going to put them back, like I said before. These two pieces here, these two pieces here, and these two pieces here, okay? Now, this is what you call abstract jewelry. So I'm going to take one piece of my wire. Hold on, bear with me, y'all. And I'm going to take, not the top piece, but the second piece, which is this piece right here. I'm going to take and push that through like that. I'm going to go from the back and bring that through. And I'm just going to do a little bit of wire wrapping to hold everything into place. So I hold these two pieces together. Okay, take it back through again. Now I'm going to hold these two pieces together. So I'm going to go in between there, bring this up, and hold these two pieces together. Okay, like that. All right. Now I'm going to take and come back through again. Take it through, bring it up, and I'm going to hold these two pieces together. Okay. So this piece right here is in between these two. So I'm going to take and wrap this just like this. Bring it through. All right, so that's it for this side. All right, so now we're going to go, and I'm going to do the same thing with this wire for this side, okay? So I'm going to take, now this is going this way. So I'm going to just take this right through here, that opening up at the top. I'm going to pull it through. Just like this. All right. And, excuse me, and then I'm going to start wrapping this. I'm going to wrap it, bring this over these two pieces like this. Then I'm going to bring it back through here like this, holding these two pieces together. I'm going to continue to wrap, okay? Then I'm going to, once I wrap it twice here, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to wrap over top. Then I'm going to come in the back and wrap. I took it in the back and I'm coming over these two pieces here like this. And then I'm going to wrap right here. Do a little wrapping right here. And these two pieces are going to stay just the way they are. Okay. And then I'm going to take my piece And I'm going to just wrap it to end it. I'm going to wrap it on just one of these wires. I'm going to take it through a couple of times like this, and I'm going to snip this piece off with my wire cutters. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing for my other side. I'm going in right now to squeeze it so it can stay flat. Now I'm going to do this the same way. I'm going to go in. Okay. And then I'm just going to take my wire and take it through these two pieces here. And I'm only going to wrap it a couple of times, once or twice. Taking it through again. Okay. Pull it like that. And then I'm going to snip that piece off right here. Just like that. And let's see, I'm going to squeeze it. Okay. And this is your abstract. Now, I'm going to say something to you all. This could be either an earring or a pendant. Now, I would use this as a pendant because when you go to, you may have a little problem when you go to try to recreate. You got to make sure that you look at each and every one of the steps that you did in order to make it so that it can come out the same exact way. Okay? This was one of those how to make videos where when you're doing abstract jewelry and everything is not the same, it's different, but the look is phenomenal. Okay? This is what we have. This is what we created. All right, let me put it, I need to put it under something so, because I really want y'all to see what it actually looked like. So this is the pendant that we made, and you can use, you can put cord on here, you can put chain on here, you can put whatever you want up at the top right there, or like I said, you can choose, you can make these into earrings. It's completely up to you, okay? So with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you all for taking the time out to do this here jewelry technique. And with that being said, y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, and also please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. All right, so have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.